Hey guys, welcome to Progressive Cakes and Nourishment. In today's video, I'll be showing you how I trimmed my cake and crumb-coated it. If you're new to this channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you are highly welcome. To my old subscribers, one love. I love you all so much. Thanks a million for tuning in. Let's dive into the main thing. Before you start crumb coating your cake, especially when you want to decorate a butter icing cake, you need your turntable, buttercream, either white or colored. You need extra plate and spoon. You need your cake. This is the beautiful cake I'll be using, and you also need a board. This is my trimming knife, spatula, and you also need your decoration comb, nozzle of your choice, and again you also need a scraper. Yes, the scraper helps you a whole lot in buttercream decoration. So folks, you'll be taking out a little buttercream. This is for the crumb coating. So the reason why you need to take it out separately from a different plate, because you wouldn't want your cake crumbs to enter the main buttercream you'll be using for the second coating. Very, very important. Make sure you separate these two. If you want to know how I prepare this yummy and beautiful white buttercream, go straight to my video, and I will try my best to put it in the description box below, the way I made this white buttercream. Lay your cake one after the other and make sure that the top is well leveled. Yes, but if you don't want to, why I take my time to level mine, because I don't want to pack a lot of butter icing in the middle of the layer. So make sure you trim out the top a little and be sure it is very, very flat, as in is very leveled before you add your buttercream and top the next cake. Just that way you continue. If you're new to my channel, this is your first time of watching my video, you are welcome. And what are you waiting for? I know you want to join this lovely family. Just go ahead and click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, and click on all notifications to be getting alerts of my newest video. I cook, I bake, I do different pastries you will love. I know you will love them. And feel free to check out all my videos. I have more than 300 and something videos for you. Cake, pastries, and little of African food. So enjoy, and I know you will come back and thank me later. Thanks a million. You can see I'm done with this crumb coating of my beautiful cake, and it's remaining the second crumb coating, which I'll be doing in my next video. Thanks a million for following to the end of this video. Bye.